Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I have something super fun. We're just chit-chatting all about eyewear glasses, okay? So I'm teaming up with Vooglam. If you don't know who they are, you've been living under a rock. So they are a super affordable, fashion-forward glassware brand, and yes, they also have prescriptions. So whether you're into like the classic styles, if you like something bold, something colorful, maybe some print, they have so many styles to choose from. These glasses literally make people turn heads. When I wear mine, I am not even kidding, I get asked, where are your glasses from? They're so cute. So I'm going to share with you some of my absolute favorite eyeglasses that I have ordered from Vooglam. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into it. Here I have some of my favorite pairs. I actually own quite a bit, but these are the newest ones that I just received. So the cool thing about Vooglam is that with every pair that you order, you get these little cloths, which they come in so handy because I get my glasses dirty constantly, especially if I put them on my head, then they get greasy from my hair, or if I just throw them in my purse. So I like to keep one of these in my purse, one upstairs where I film, and then one in my car or in my purse because it literally makes such a huge difference. I have a few glasses that I wear that are just very basic. So this time around, I made sure to order some that were a little bit more fun. If you're super girly like me and you love matching your eyewear to your outfits, these right here are the perfect size. I love the pink on the side. It adds such a feminine touch. The lens right here is wide enough that you can wear them with makeup and you can still see your makeup through. They're just super cute. They're fun. And then of course we get the little, I want to say this is like a tortoise frame around it. I don't know, but I am obsessed with these and they're so cute for the days that you just want to add like an accessory to your outfit or to your makeup, but maybe you don't want to wear like crazy jewelry. I literally feel like these are the perfect addition to any makeup look. Like even today's look, this is such a cute addition to what I'm wearing. Today is one of those days where I'm not wearing gold, but if you watch me, you know that 99% of the time I wear gold jewelry. So I decided to get some glasses that had gold in them because I wear a lot of it, and these are just gonna go so perfectly with every outfit. So these have almost like that aviator style. They're kind of giving Jeffrey Dahmer vibes, I'm not gonna lie, but they're so cute. They have the really cute gold all around on the legs, and then they have it all across, but it also has this really cute double frame that makes them even more fun. And when you put them on, they sit so comfortably on the eyes. Like these are perfect for maybe like the beach day or just to be outside running some errands. Super cute, very like bold, but in the best way. You know what I mean? They're very cute. They're very fashion forward. All the frames I've had so far are squared just because I feel like that's what really goes with my face. So I wanted to get something different and I got these and they're so cute. These are just giving like, I don't know, like sexy librarian. Oh my gosh, these have to be my second favorite pair. So first things first, let's just talk about the frame itself. It is so flattering. I didn't think these would look good on me, but oh my goodness, I was so wrong. I love how wide this is, and it's almost like a polarized with the gold little accents. It has these cute little rhinestones in the center, which just make it so glam. The little thin like square glass, I don't know, it's just giving she reads books, about 50 books a month, you know what I mean? This would look so adorable with so many outfits. They just really, they're that girl. I think these are gonna be like my second favorite. What do you guys think? I told you guys I was going to save my absolute favorites for last, and you will see why. These are just, oh my gosh, sorry, my obsession. These are the ones that I've actually been wearing. I had to get these out of my purse. These are so cute. So these are actually prescription. So I do need glasses to see from afar, and I chose this specific frame because look at the details on this. So it has almost this little like ringlet with these cute little like studs. So whenever you get your brow pierce. It looks similar like that, and I just thought that was the cutest thing ever. I love the contrast of black with gold, the cream with the brown. It's like almost like a cheetah spotted frame. What sold me on this was literally these little almost like piercing looking gold accents. And again, I live for gold, so I knew these were gonna be the winners for me, and they are so comfortable. My favorite thing is that these actually stay on my face. I have literally designer glasses that were over $300. They slide off of my face so much, super annoying, and these don't go anywhere. Like, they just stay in place, and that is my favorite thing. How adorable are these? How could you not order yourself a few pairs from Vooglam for the quality, the price, the fact that you can get them prescription. You can also get them polarized. If you need them for reading, Vooglam has you covered, y'all. So I will have a discount code right here as well as in my description box. Don't sleep on Vooglam, y'all. They have so many lenses that you are bound to find some. And I promise you, these will have people turning their heads, stopping and asking you, where did you get your frames from? Because these are so unique that you don't see these very often. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little unboxing, little try on of my favorite glasses. Super cute, super affordable, and super fun. I will have again everything in the description box down below. Don't forget to check out Vooglam, and shout out to them for working with me in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.